Now we are moving on to another important question of this chapter. So listen carefully. I repeat, this is one of the important question of this chapter. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 8. So first we can analyze this given question by word by word. So here we have to find out sum. Okay. So we can use Sn equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn equal to n by 2 into x1 plus x2. Okay. Since they are asking us to find the sum, we have to use any one equation from the following. Okay. Then second condition. First condition is we have to find the sum. Second condition is that number should be, or that numbers are all 3-digit numbers. That all numbers are 3-digit numbers. So second condition is the number should be 3-digit numbers. Now third condition is that is the number should be the multiples of 8. So we have to arrange, or we have to make a arithmetic sequence. Okay, providing the condition that first one is 3-digit number multiples of 8. Okay, so we have to find the sum of a particular number by providing or by satisfying the condition of 3-digit number as well as multiples of 8. So before moving to, or before starting into this question, I have to explain some of the base for this question. So listen carefully. We know that let's take an example. Multiples of 8. Okay. So multiples of 8 are, we know that 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. These are the multiples of 8. We can see that 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. are in arithmetic sequence. Okay. So this pattern or this sequence are in arithmetic sequence. So here common difference is 8. Okay. Here we got the common difference 8. If they ask the multiples of 9, we can write 9, 18, 27, 36, etc. Okay, this is also an example for arithmetic sequence. So here the difference is 9. Here also the difference or common difference is 9. So here I am going to convey, or I want to convey that if they ask multiples of 9, multiples of 8, then common difference is that number. Okay, I repeat, if they ask multiples of 8, then common difference is 8. If they ask multiples of 9, then common difference is 9. Okay, if they ask multiples of 10, then common difference is 10. So in this question we got D, that is common difference D equal to 8. Understood? So given D equal to 8, okay, because they are providing multiples of 8. It is not compulsory to write this multiples of 8. Okay, so we got D. Okay, now we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn. Okay, these are the equations for finding out sum of first n terms. Okay, in both the equation you can see that in both the equations what we want is n. Okay, in both the equations we need n. So we have to apply the equation for n, that is number of terms. So we have number of terms n equal to xn minus x1 by d plus 1. Okay, this equation is we are writing because of the reason that in both the equation we want n. Okay, in this equation we want first term, in this equation also we want first term, but here we want d. Here d is not required, but here we need n. Okay, so I am concluding in a nutshell we can say that in this question we need d, f or x1, then n, last one is xn. These all are the required items for solving this particular question. Okay, so I will do one by one, so listen carefully. We know that we want 3-digit number which are multiples of 8. Let's take an example. 100. We know that 100 is a 3-digit number, but this is not a multiple of 8. If we divide 8, we get 8, 1, 20, 2 times 16, 4. We will get what? Remainder as 4. So this is not a multiple of 8. 100 is not a multiple of 8, but 100 is a 3-digit number. We have to satisfy both the conditions. 3-digit as well as multiples of 8. Here this is a 3-digit but not multiples of 8. Moving on to second one. 101. If we divide 101 by 8, we have 1, 8, 2, 21, 2 times 16, 5. Okay. So here also we get a remainder. So 101 is also not a multiple of 8 but a 3-digit number. Moving on to second number, 102. Divided by 8, 1, 8 times 2, 22, again 2 times 16, 6. Here also we will get a remainder. If we proceed with 103, 104, it will be a lengthy process. So I will explain or I will tell an easy method. So listen carefully. We can take 104. 104 divided by 8. 1 times 8, 2 balance 24, 3 times 24, remainder is 0. Okay. If the remainder is 0, we can say that 8 is divisible on 104 or 104 is a multiple of 8. So here first term is 104. Understood? This is a 3-digit number as well as multiple of 8. So here I have done a lengthy process. So in order to find this step within 1 or 2 steps or in order to find out this number within 1 or 2 steps, I will tell you a trick. Okay, listen carefully. First always you have to take 100 because your the first 3-digit number is 100. Okay, so 100 divided by 8, we got remainder as 4, right? So in order to get the first 3-digit number which is a multiple of 8, what you have to do is first write 100 plus you have to add a particular number. That number is divisor minus remainder. Okay, first always write 100 plus divisor minus remainder. We know that this is the divisor and this is a remainder. So 100 plus divisor, that is 8, minus remainder is 4, or 100 plus 8 minus 4 is 4, gives us 104. Okay, this is what we have written here. Understood? So in order to find the first 3-digit number which is a multiple of any particular number, what you have to do is write first 100 plus divisor minus remainder. So this remainder is obtained only by dividing 100 by the number. Okay. For example, if they ask 6, first what you have to do is 100 divided by 6. Okay. We know that 1 time remainder is 4, 40, 36, 6 times balance is 4. So in order to get first 3-digit number which is a multiple of 6, okay, what we have to do is 100 plus, our equation is divisor minus remainder. Here divisor is 4 and remainder is, divisor is 6 and remainder is 4. So 6 minus 4 gives us 100 plus 6 minus 4 is 2. Answer is 102. So according to the equation, 102 is the first 3-digit number which is a multiple of 6. Let us check. 102 divided by 6. 1 times 6, balance is 4, 2. 42, 6. 7 times 42, remainder is 0. Okay. So this is a tricky method to find out the first 3-digit number which is a multiple of any particular number. Okay. So we get F, that is first term equal to 104. Okay. D, common difference D equal to 8 itself. Since they are providing with the multiple, they are asking us to find the multiples of 8, then common difference is 8 only. 8. Then we want, next what we want is last term, xn. Okay, xn. So in order to find xn, listen carefully. It is another method, not like finding out first term. So listen carefully. We know that first 3-digit number is 100. Like that, last 3-digit number is 999. Okay, so here multiples of 8 we can divide 999 by 8. 1 times 8, 19, 2 times 16, 3, 39, 4 times 32, 7. Our remainder is 7. Okay, if you do 998 divided by 8, you will get a remainder. If you do 997 divided by 8, you will also get a remainder. So here I am not doing these all things, I am directly providing you with the tricky method. So listen. In order to find out first term, what we have done is, first write 100. Okay, plus divisor minus remainder. Okay, in order to find out last term, or xn, what we have to write is, first term 100, for last term we have to write last term. Last 3 digit number is 999 minus. Okay, 999 is the last term, so remainder. You have to directly subtract remainder from 999. Okay, let's take an example. Here we got 7 as remainder, so 999 minus 7, 992. So this is the 3 digit number which is a multiple of 8. Let us check. 992 divided by 8. 1 time 8, 1, 19, 2 times 16, 32, 4 times 32, 0. Okay, here we get remainder as 0. So we can say that 992 is a multiple of 8. Okay, this is the 3 digit number. This is a 3 digit number as well as multiple of 8. So we get 992 as the last term. Understood? I repeat, to find out first term, what you have to do is 100 plus divisor minus remainder. So in order to get divisor and remainder, what you have to do is first divide 100 divided by the multiple of what number they are providing. So in order to find out remainder, you have to divide 100 by that number. If they ask 9, you have to divide 100 by 9. If they ask 6, 100 by 6. In order to find last term, what you have to do is first write the last 3 digit number, that is 999, minus, always minus, directly remainder. Not divisor minus remainder, directly minus remainder. Okay, understood? Here we got f as 104, b directly given, common difference that is 8, xn we have already found out, that is 992. Now we can find out number of terms. Since they are asking us to find sum, in order to find sum, what we need is n. So first we can find out number of terms. So first we can write the equation. We have number of terms, n equal to xn minus x1 divided by d plus 1 equals to xn, that is 992 minus x1, that is 104 divided by d, 8 plus 1. Okay, equals to 992 minus 104 gives us 888 by 8 plus 1. 888 divided by 8 we will get 111 plus 1, that is 112. So this is n. Okay, so if we apply second equation, n you already got n 112, x1 that is first term, okay, 104, xn that is last term, all the items are there. If you apply first equation, that is n, that is 112, f first term we have, d also have. So now we can apply either of the equations. Okay, for the time being I am applying second equation. So listen, we have f equal to 104, d equal to 8, xn equal to 992 and n equal to 112. Now we can apply the equation. We have Sn equal to, that is sum of first n terms equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn. Okay, you can use this equation also. Okay, and for the time being I am using this equation. Sn, n equal to 112. So therefore S112 equal to 112 by 2, n is 112 into x1, that is f. F4, x1, both are same. 104 plus xn, xn last term is 992 equals to 112 divided by 2. 104 plus 992. 104 plus 992 gives us 1096. Okay. So 112 by 2 into 1096 equals 112 divided by 2. We will get 56 into 1096. So 1096 into 56, 6, 3, 57, 5, 6, 0, 8, 0, 5, 6, 7, 3, 7, 5. So our answer is 57376. So this is the sum of first 112 terms by providing the conditions 3-digit number as well as multiples of 8. Understood? So this is about this question, very important question for the exam from the examination point of view.